Hello everyone, welcome to the Divine Kitchen. For making the Mughlai parathas, we need these ingredients: mashed potatoes, chopped cilantro, salt, cumin seeds, paprika, mango powder, cumin powder, oil, wheat flour, plain flour, soda, water, ginger chili paste, and nutmeg powder. First we are going to make the stuffing. For making the stuffing, heat up the pan, pour the oil, add the cumin seeds. When you see cumin seeds are cracking up, add the ginger chili paste. Saute for 1 minute in low heat. Then add the potatoes. Mix nicely. Next, salt, paprika, cumin powder, mango powder, and roast this potato filling at least 10 minutes in medium heat and stir continuously, otherwise it will get burned in the bottom. After 10 minutes, add the chopped cilantro, and then nutmeg powder. Roast again for 2 minutes. Now this filling is ready. Transfer the stuffing in the bowl. While stuffing is getting cooled down, we will make the dough. Next we are going to prepare our dough. For making the dough, take both flours in the bowl. Add the salt, baking soda, and oil. Mix well, then add the water. Knead nicely, make a soft dough. Now dough is ready to make the parathas. Roll down the dough nicely. Divide into the 6 parts. Take one part and roll down approximately 6 inches of diameter. Then spread the half teaspoon of oil and fold down like I am doing. After one side folding, you have to spread the oil again, then fold again. Then again you have to roll down approximately 6 inches of diameter. Then we have to repeat the same process earlier what we did. We have to spread the oil and then we have to fold it, then putting the oil and then fold it. Again we have to roll down. We have to repeat this process 3 times. When we do like that, it creates layers in the parathas. Now we are going to cook the parathas. Here I am using the cast iron griddle. You can use the non-stick one, whatever is available in your home. First heat up in the high heat. Then reduce the heat, put the paratha in the griddle, then pour 1 teaspoon of oil around the parathas. Don't flip right now, just wait for 1 minute. When you see it is puffing up, then flip the paratha. Then again pour the 1 teaspoon of oil around the paratha. While cooking the paratha, press the corner so it will cook nicely. Then flip again, and when you are opening the paratha, make sure your heat should be in low. Next we are going to open the paratha to fill the stuffing. It is little tricky part, as you can see the way I am opening here, where you see that paratha is opening from the corner. So just slowly prick your spatula inside. If you need help, you can take another spatula also to open the paratha, because it is really hot also. Don't burn your hand. Now stuff the stuffing. Then cover the paratha again. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes in low heat. Now Mughlai paratha is ready. If you like the video, don't forget to share or comment. Enjoy.